everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make this glider plane. Let's dive right in. You'll need a piece of rectangular paper for this. I'll begin by folding my paper in half lengthways. Unfold, then use one end and fold the corners in towards the middle. I'll flip over to the other side and I'll fold this upwards. Then I'll use the outer corners. I'll fold these upwards on an angle, kind of meeting the point of that triangle in the middle. You'll want the top edge to be in line with that, if that makes sense. Then I'll fold the triangle section downwards. I'll rotate the paper around and I'll flip it over. And now's the part where I'll fold this in half. Now for the wings. Basically you fold these down so that it meets that middle section of the plane. Pretty easy. Done. Time to fly. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video or you want to learn more about origami, or even if you're looking for origami paper to add to your library at home, come check out my website. I've put it in the link in the description down below. I am now selling some of my products on Amazon. Yay! Anyway, happy folding and enjoy your origami. Bye.